Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and Sheri Graphics is my official website. You can download everything here without password and without any premium package like a paid. Here is all data are free. So click on YouTube thumbnails and you see here yoga workout, yoga YouTube thumbnail templates, and here is 80 centuries which you YouTube thumbnails. Here you see cardboard and car service, car review, children YouTube covers. You see, okay. Next is colorful and cosmetic review dashboard. For example, you click here, I protect. Here is 3 templates, size is this, and here is second. Just click on download. Same thing is here. Total thumbnail is 300 plus without any password. Click here and you see in the dashboard you can download it. Oh, without password. Fashion talk, fashion trend, fashion blogger, fashion word, fashion, and here is fitness, fiber, fitness, and here is guilt, gym glass, and holochrome, travel YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and after some time I will upload more thumbnail about this topic, or for travel or fitness, yoga and other. You see here is presentation, Google Slides, resume, PowerPoint presentation. Click on Google Slide. For other your choice, you can download everything. These are free. I hope these files are useful for you. Kindly subscribe me.